Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you recently heard about Spectrum pods or already have them at home and are wondering how they actually work, you are definitely not the only one asking. Sometimes certain rooms in the house get weaker Wi-Fi than others, and moving the router does not always solve the problem. That is where Spectrum pods come in, helping spread internet coverage into areas where the signal may struggle to reach. Even though they look simple from the outside, many people are unsure how these devices connect or what they actually do once plugged in. Let's break it down step by step in an easy way so you can better understand how Spectrum pods work. Try these. Step 1. Plug the Spectrum pod into a wall outlet in an area where Wi Fi starts becoming weaker. Step 2. Connect the Spectrum pod to the home network using the Spectrum setup process. Step 3. Allow the Spectrum pod to extend internet coverage into rooms farther from the main router. Step 4. Check the signal strength through the app connected to the Spectrum pod if available. Step 5. Move the Spectrum pod slightly if internet coverage still feels weak in certain areas. Step 6. Connect devices near the Spectrum pod and confirm Wi Fi feels stronger around the home.